want to thank everybody for being here today. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, for being here as well, and the whole team from Kenosha. And thanks to all the people who make this capable to do here, and all the employees.
But the partnership that we have had with you for so many years with the Kenosha Water Utility, I mean, the innovations that you guys have brought to this area, the expansion, the awesome employees, what you have done across this it melts my heart. You are truly the embodiment of the American dream.
But with every building, it's a reminder of a milestone we have achieved. And with this new addition, it's a reminder for all of us for the future that we are going to bring in. And, you know, Michael has this grand plan to kind of double up our production in next 5 years, and this is just beginning.